Next question. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th terms is 100. Then find the difference between their 1000th terms. Two different APs. So we can take like this. One AP, 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Another AP I am taking 10, 12, 14, etc. Two different APs. But what is the common difference of first AP? 3 minus 1, 2. What is the common difference of second AP? 12 minus 10, 2. Okay. So this type of question. Two different APs have same common difference. Okay. So let us take two APs as, I am taking the first AP as A1, A2, etc. AN, and the second AP I am taking B1, B2, etc. BN are two APs. We are considering like that. Two different APs. But what is given? Their common difference same. And what is the next sentence you see? The difference between their 100th terms is 100. Difference between their 100th terms. What is the 100th term of first AP? What is meant by 100th term of first AP? We can denote it as A100. What is meant by 100th term of the second AP? That we can denote as B100. Okay. So, second sentence, the difference between their 100th term is 100 means, what is given you see? Given that A100 minus B100 is equal to 100. This is the meaning. Okay. Difference between their 100th terms is 100. That sentence we are converting into an equation. A100 minus B100 is equal to 100. Now what is meant by A100 you tell? By applying the formula A plus 99D minus, what is meant by B100? B plus 99D. There A and B first terms are different, but the common difference equality is given. Common difference same. So I used small letter d here. Here also small letter d. Why? Because their common difference equal. But here the first term is A. Here the first term is B. Why? Terms are different. So it is equal to what? 100. Now open bracket. A plus 99D minus B minus 99D equal to 100. This we can cancel. So what is remaining? A minus B is equal to 100. So what we got? A minus B is equal to 100. Now what is the question? Third sentence you see. Find the difference between their 1000th terms. What is the difference between their 1000th term? How to write 1000 term difference? A1000 minus B1000. Okay? 1000th term difference we can write A1000 minus B1000. What is meant by A1000? A plus 999D minus B plus 999D. We are applying the formula. Open bracket. A plus 999D minus B minus 999D. Here what happened? This we can cancel. Now what is remaining? A minus B. So what is the difference between 1000 terms? Again it is A minus B. But what is A minus B? It is equal to 100. So what is the difference? 100. Understood? So when the difference between the 100th term is 100, the difference between 1000th term is also 100. Or the difference between 500th term 100. Difference between 200th term, 100. Difference between 10th term, 100. Difference between 32nd term, 100. All the differences will be 100. Okay. Now see the second question. The sum of the 4th and the 8th terms of an AP is 24 and the sum of their 6th and 10th terms is 44. Find the first 3 terms of AP. What is given? First sentence you see. The sum means plus addition of the 4th and 8th terms of an AP is 24. That sentence you have to convert into an equation. What is meant by 4th and 8th term? A4 and A8. So what we can write? A4 plus A8 is equal to 24. That is the first sentence. Next in and the sum of their 6th and 10th terms. How we can write? A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. So we are going to simplify. What is meant by A4? A plus 3D. What is meant by A8? A plus 7D, which is equal to 24, or it implies A plus A, 2A plus 3D plus 7D, 10D is equal to 24. Understood? Here we are applying the formula. What is meant by A6? A plus 5D. A10 means A plus 9D, which is equal to 44, implies A plus A is 2A and 5D plus 9D is 14D is equal to 44. Okay, so we got 2 linear equations in A and D. But we can again simplify these 2 linear equations nicely. Why? Here 2, here 2, here 2. In all the 3 terms, 2 is common. So we can write what? A plus 5D is equal to 12. 2 we cancelled. In second equation again 2 is common. So that we can write A plus 7D is equal to 22. Divide with 2. So this is what? Linear equations in 2 variables A and D. So we are solving A common, subtraction. This will cancel. 5D minus 7D minus 2D. 12 minus 22 minus 10. So D is equal to 5. That D we are substituting here. So A plus 5 into 5 is equal to 12. D is equal to 5. So A plus 25 is equal to 12. So A is equal to 12 minus 25 minus 13. What is the question? Find the first 3 terms of the AP. You have to write the first 3 terms. Therefore, first 3 terms are, what is the first term? Always A. So it is minus 13. Now what is D? 5. For getting the next term, add 5 to minus 13. So minus 13 plus 5 is equal to minus 8. For getting next term, again add 5. So minus 8 plus 5 is equal to minus 3. So these are the first 3 terms of the given AP. Minus 13, minus 8, minus 3. Understood? The same type of question we did, but here only thing is sum of two terms given. So you have to convert the sentence into equation, solve both.